Hi, myself Dr. Geeta, consultant pathologist in plasma diagnostics. Today I'll be briefly telling you about the hair fall. So as we all know, hair fall is a common problem everyone come across. So when we should consider as an hair fall. So normally there will be some amount of hair fall every day. So 100 to 150 strands of hair will fall every day. We should not worry about it. So when you should worry is whenever the hair fall is more than 150 strands per day. So for any disease, whether it's hair fall or any other diseases, it is very important you find out the underlying cause or what we call it as root cause analysis and treat accordingly. So coming to the most common causes for the hair fall, the first and foremost is stress. The second one is genetics. It can be transmitted from your parents. Third one is hormones, vitamin deficiencies like vitamin D and B12 deficiencies, thyroid disorders like hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism, and also mineral deficiency, especially the iron deficiency also causes the hair fall. So whenever you are having an hair fall, first thing you should do is control your stress either by yoga or meditation. Despite of this, still the hair fall is continuing. So you have to do some basic tests, especially like complete blood count to check the hemoglobin levels and vitamin analysis like vitamin B12 and vitamin D levels, thyroid function test to check for hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism, and also iron profile to check the iron serum iron levels. So even these are within normal limits. It could be due to hormone changes, especially if there is an increase in the testosterone levels, that is a male hormone in a female, that also causes hair fall. So you should go for testosterone levels. Even that comes normal, it could be due to genetics. Then you should consult a dermatologist. All these tests are within normal limits. It could be related due to genetics. So the treatment options that are available for the hair fall is there are drugs which increases the blood flow to the hair follicles and increases the hair growth, and also there is hair transplantation available like hair fall, and also the recent advances is there is also stem cell therapy for the hair fall. These are the things that are available for the treatment of the hair fall. All these tests are available in the plasma diagnostics. Do avail the services that are available in the plasma diagnostics. Stay safe and healthy.